Cleaning gutters on the detached house, quite a really awkward one. I was just flushing the pipes out before we carry on with any more, because we've started to get really a bit heavy now. Not much room to get behind the house at all. We've done half of the end from the other side. There are 5.5 poles on here now to reach over the extension to get to the top gutter. Now we've got the camera there, just checking in, taking photographs. There the gutter's out, now we're going around flushing all the downpipes. Just flushing this one. There we are today. Scunthorpe got 2 gutters to clean, 2 semis. They're both really full. Fun to do, then I'll go around the back in there. Again using the survey camera and the Interceptor from Spinner Clean. There as well. This has got an extension at the back, so we're doing it from the neighbours. We've got 5.5 poles on. We reached halfway from this side, and then we can reach halfway, hopefully, from the other side. I did come with a survey camera and check these out a couple of weeks ago. They're really full. Mel's just getting everything rigged up. I'll just show you around the back. So it's quite an easy one at the front, just straightforward. That one's a bit harder. Got a really big lean-to on the full width of the property. Solar panels as well, so I think the gutters are going to be a bit full of guano or guana. Clean the front, we're just flushing all the pipes now because the pipes are that heavy, so we need to get all the muck out before we go to the rear, to start on the rear gutters. Now we've just got the hose pipe up through the poles, flushing the pipes to make sure that there's no blockages. Everything's working fine.